Well, hello again, and welcome back to HookedOnCarnival.com. I'm Dr. Glass, and of course, what I'm here to do is to help you understand how to use this website when you're researching or looking at different pieces of Carnival glass. In our first episode, we looked at the different options down here, and we've talked about some of them already, and we talked about the library. Now, today we're going to go down to Dr. Glass, one of my favorite options, okay? And fun video series for Carnival Glass Answers. In Dr. Glass, there are actually 100 episodes of 5 seasons of 20 episodes each. And if we click on it, you can see where you go to. You go to the Dr. Glass section here, and this starts out with season 5. This was the last episode that we had performed back when we did these programs. And if you continue all the way down, you'll go all the way down, season 5, season 4, all the way down, you'll get finally to season 3. You could start, or season 1 rather, and you can start at season 1 and go through all 100 of them, but you may have an idea of something that you're interested in. As you go down each one, you'll see that, let's say season 4, episode 3, it says how much glass is too much glass. A lot of people had that question. Do I continue to add to add to my collections, or do I limit them? Let's say here's one down here. What are some of the old patterns in Carnival glass that have been reproduced or copied? A lot of these little bullet points here can pique your interest about a particular episode. Let's say we're interested in, did Indiana glass make any Carnival glass of monetary value? Okay, let's click on that, see what happens. Here you're going to end up with that particular episode, okay? If you clicked on the right arrow, you're going to see that episode and it'll answer that question for you. When you're ready to go back, you're just on the bottom, you click on Return to Dr. Glass, and then you'll back again to the catalog of all 100 episodes. There are some of my favorites and there's some of everybody's favorites, but you're going to learn a lot from the Dr. Glass series on episodes on Carnival Glass. So that's another option for you. Again, you can get back to the main site here, the main page, front page. And again, if you want to talk about Dr. Glass, it's down on this bottom. Just click on it, and so it's a world of information for you. Okay? Well, thanks a lot, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day, and take care, and happy collecting. Dr. Glass out.